There is a light in you the world cannot perceive. And unfortunately, most of the time, neither can you. We struggle to perceive that light, but it is there and it has always been there. This lesson, which is lesson 189, is about touching that light and knowing that light as the love of God. The lesson states, I feel the love of God within me now. It says that the world cannot perceive it, but that there is a world that can. And it protects this light in you. That when you come in touch with this light, you then transform the way you see the world. And this new world, this real world, protects the light in you. So, how do we come in contact with this light, with feeling this love? What lesson 189 says is the way to come in contact is to let go of everything. Hold on to nothing. No concepts, no images, no desires, no longing, no yearning, no thoughts. Hold on to nothing and let God take the next step to reveal this light that has always been there, but that you have obscured and obstructed by all of the mental chatter that you have had and all of the desires to be right that you hold. That is the exercise. Hold on to nothing. Be still and know. So take a minute today in meditation, in stillness, and choose to hold on to no concept, no image, no thought, no feeling. You open up and empty yourself and allow the light to come in you, but it's a light that's always been with you. What you're allowing is its recognition. That's lesson 189. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share these videos, and we'll see you next time for lesson 190. Thank you.